right, so the back of the worksheet, it says, Activity 4, pizza party. For his birthday, Joaquin had some friends over for a pizza party. Together, he and his friends ate 4 1/4 pizzas. The restaurant says that one serving is 3 slices or 3/8 of a pizza. How many servings did Joaquin and his friends eat? So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for how many servings. So I'm going to be dividing by 3/8 because I want to figure out the number of servings. So I'm going to take 4 1/4 and divide it by 3/8. All right, so the first thing I need to ask myself are both of these numbers fractions? They are not. So I need to make this be an improper fraction. So remember that you're going to multiply 4 times 4, which gives you 16, plus 1, which is 17. So 4 1/4 is equivalent to 17/4, divided by 3/8. All right, so are both numbers fractions? Yes. Do they have common denominators? No. So which of these two denominators is greater, 8 or 4? 8 is bigger. Will 4 divide into 8? Yes. So 8 is my common denominator. So 17/4 is equivalent to how many eighths? So 4 times 2 is 8. 17 times 2 is 34. So I have 34 eighths divided by 3/8. So I remember that my answer is my numerators, so 34 thirds. That's one good answer. My other good answer is all fractions mean divide, write the denominator outside. So 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 4 once. And I have 1 out of a group of 3 left over. So how many servings did Joaquin and his friends eat? They ate 11 1/3 servings of pizza. I hope you had a bunch of friends over. All right, next part is your summary. When we divide, we need to divide equal parts, and those equal sized parts are represented by the same denominators. That's why I always say, are they both fractions? Do the denominators match? When we're dividing fractions that don't have the same denominator, we need to use equivalent fractions to create the same denominator. Then there's a pattern to show exactly what we divide, and so forth. So we're going to go on down through here. All right, finally, the cool down was 3/10 divided by 7/10. Are they both fractions? Yes. Do they have the same denominator? Yes. So my answer is right here in the numerators, 3/7. Second one is 1/3 divided by 2/5. Are they both fractions? Yes. Do they have the same denominator? No. Which of these is greater, 3 or 5? 5 is greater. So I think in my head, 5, 10, 15. Does 3 divide into 5 evenly? No. Does 3 divide into 10 evenly? No. Does 3 divide into 15 evenly? Yes. So 15 is our common denominator. So I take 1/3 and change it to 15ths. I change 2/5, and I change it to 15ths. So 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 5, of course, is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. Remember, if you are changing your denominator, you also need to change your numerator. So now I'm going to rewrite my problem. So 1/3 is equivalent to 5/15. 2/5 is equivalent to 6/15. I'm going to go ahead and circle my numerators, and bam, there's my answer. So 1/3 divided by 2/5 is equivalent to 5/6. Thank you for your attention. Go ahead and start the study guide. We're not going to do that third page of the lesson for today.